Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips whenever we are trading. Okay, we will be doing that again tonight. However, before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, these are the assets you'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own analysis and of course the trading tools I will be using. Okay, so if you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have your check on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course came to an end at the support zone and started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend. So this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time. In case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then it will go back on downtrend. Let's check out boom 500. Boom 500 went on uptrend but was unable to go above this, so it had a major pullback and played around there for a while, but it's later on went above it to break out above it, and of course it's got to a new resistance and it wasn't able to go above that, so it started a downtrend, and this will be selling more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Crash 1000 sold from this resistance zone and came to an end at this support zone. So it started an uptrend but didn't go too far before it had a major pullback. Okay, so this was the major pullback, and of course it is done with the pullback. So it's trying to go back up to try out this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be Crash 500. This is Crash 500. It had been on uptrend right from here, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again. It has gotten to this resistance, and if it's unable to break out above that, then it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so it will go back on downtrend right from there. Okay, so we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Then the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. V75 started an uptrend from here, came to an end around there, then it started a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all the assets we are able to come up with tonight, and all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Okay guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God